Let us solve this particular problem. It is from GATE examination 2024, question number 62. It is a numerical answer type. So, we are asked to determine the ratio of the energy of the state corresponding to the above wave function to ground state energy. So, we are asked to determine the ratio of the energy. One is from the ground state and another is from the energy from this particular wave function. So, let us try how we can solve this equation. We'll write the equation once again, which is psi xyz is equal to, there's a normalization constant which is 32 by L cube sine pi x by L. Another function is cos pi x by L. Then is sine 2 pi y by L. And next one is sine pi z by L. On carefully examining this wave function, we can see that this is nothing but the wave function of a particle in three-dimensional box. Our familiar form is like psi xyz is equal to, the normalization constants will be root of 2 by a into root of 2 by b into root of 2 by c. Then the remaining function will be sine n pi x by L. Next sine n, so this is will be nx, this will be ny pi y by L, and again next one will be sine n z pi z by L. Of course this is a cubic box, so all these the denominators will be same, that is a by a b c n will be L. So we can easily say that this is a three-dimensional box problem, and here you are given with sine pi x cos pi x. So once carefully examining, we can see that the sine pi x cos pi x, there is a trigonometric relation which is sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 sine 2 theta, or we can write it as sine pi x by L cos pi x by L can be given as 1 by 2 into sine 2 pi x by L. So we can easily substitute here in this one. Let us see what will happen. It will be psi xyz is equal to the normalization constant 32 by L cube. Then comes 1 by 2 into sine 2 pi x by L. Next is sine 2 pi y by L. Next is sine pi z by L. So once you see that this is a nothing but that equation, the three-dimensional equation, and corresponding the n values are, here it is 2, so that is nx is equal to 2, ny is equal to 2, and nz is equal to 1. So for a particle in a three-dimensional box, we know the energy will be equal to E equals h square by atm. Since L is the distance, it will be atm L square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square. So we can say that now our values are given at 2, 2 and 1. So E will be equal to h square by atm L square into 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. This will be equal to 9h square by 8m L square. So if this is the wave function, what will be the psi xyz at ground state? So in the ground state, nx will be equal to 1, ny will be equal to 1, and nz also will be equal to 1. So if you substitute that one for to find the E ground state, it will be equal to h square by 8m L square. Here it will be 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. This is equal to 3h square by 8m L square. Now if we see the ratio, so the ratio will be equal to E divided by E ground state. So this will be equal to 9h square by 8ml square divided by 3h square by 8ml square, which is equal to 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. So the right answer is 3. Thank you.